TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu has said an alliance has been formed for the welfare and development of the state. 55.38% of votes have been cast. The TDP has secured 45% and the YSRCP secured 39%. Many TDP activists have faced sleepless nights and have been tortured. Even media was obstructed in the state and CID cases were lodged on media houses as well. Chandrababu Naidu has, of course, spoken out for the first time after the victory of the NDA yesterday in Andhra Pradesh.
కొద్దిగా సెక్యూరిటీ క్లియర్ చేయండి వాళ్ళకి కనపడేట్టుగా యూ కమ్ బ్యాక్ అదర్వైజ్ దిస్ సైడ్ యూ కెన్ కమ్ మీరంతా కూడా ఆ సైడ్ ఈ సైడ్ అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోండి ఏంటి బాగున్నారంతా మీకు ఫ్రీడమ్ వచ్చింది ముందు స్వాతంత్రం మీకు వచ్చింది మాకు కాదు మీ తర్వాత ప్రజలకి ఓకే గుడ్ మళ్ళీ ఢిల్లీకి వెళ్తున్నా ఈరోజు వెళ్ళే మునుపు మీ అందరితో మరీ మాట్లాడకుండా పోతే ప్రజలతో మాట్లాడలేం కదా మీతో మాట్లాడితే ప్రజలతో మాట్లాడినట్టు ఎలక్షన్ అవుతాను నేను అంత బిజీగా ఉన్నా కాబట్టి ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు మీకు చెప్పి తద్వారా ప్రజలకు చెప్పేద్దామన్న ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి శ్రీకారం చుట్టాను ముందు మీడియాకి
Arzu Seth is joining us for more details on this story. Arzu, what has Chandrababu Naidu said in his first statement today after the election win?
TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu has addressed the media for the first time after winning the Lok Sabha elections, and he told about that he's heading towards the national capital, where he will be in the NDA meeting that is taking place today at the 4 p.m. And after the completion of this election, he also said that he is very glad for the support that he has gathered from the voters. The voters from around the world have come here. The voters of India have voted for the country's development, and that is going to happen in the coming years too. He also told about how much struggle that the TDP has made in the previous years, and now also he thanks the voter. But today marks the very important day for both the alliance, whether we talk about the NDA or the India alliance, as the Chandrababu Naidu is also heading towards the Delhi, and Nitish Kumar is also coming to Delhi to be the part of the meeting. What our sources are telling Uday, TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu will put forth his demand for the speaker post and other demand at the NDA meetings, because the performance of the TDP has led the Bharatiya Janata Party to form the government. They have won a lot of seat in the Andhra Pradesh, so he will kept his demand in front of the NDA leaders, in front of the NDA meetings. So also there will be a lot of demands that will put forward by the NDA alliance party partners.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.